Welcome to the complete Spark AR tutorial series. In this course, we'll be exploring Spark AR, Facebook and Instagram's augmented reality creation tool, giving you the knowledge and hands-on experience necessary to create stunning augmented reality camera effects. We'll first go over how to download and navigate the Spark program, and then we'll jump right into creating 10 AR effects. Each effect tutorial will introduce new features and capabilities while building on topics covered in previous sections. We'll start out learning the basics of materials, textures, face tracking, user interactions, and simple programming using the patch editor to create multiple face masks for our user to wear. In Effect 2, we'll be working with 3D objects, occlusion, layering, and animation to create an X-ray effect. Next, we'll create a 3D emoji effect for Facebook using multiple face trackers, hand tracking, and facial landmarks. For Effect 4, we'll introduce particles and shader patch groups. We'll also learn the basics of how to manipulate user audio, as well as how to convert GIFs for use in Spark. All of these elements will combine to create a glitchy video stream effect. In Effect 5, we'll be doing a deep dive into visual shaders, which will allow us to selectively warp and recolor our camera feed. We'll be packaging 10 shaders into this effect for our user to navigate using Spark's built-in option slider, the native UI picker. Next, we'll use segmentation and occlusion to place our user in a colorfully painted environment. We'll also look at exporting, importing, and controlling rigged animations for 3D objects. For effect number 7, we'll introduce the plane tracker, which allows us to place 3D objects in our back camera view. We'll also be going over how to add instructions to help our user navigate our effect, and we'll look at techniques for adding a glow effect to objects and face meshes. This will bring us to Effect 8, where we'll be creating a playable game, complete with sound effects and saved high scores. Effect 9 will explore creating, importing, and animating mesh deformation objects, known as blend shapes. We'll also introduce a technique for simulating simplified physics. And for our last effect, we'll be using image tracking to turn a business card into a real-time stock ticker using the networking capability. We'll wrap up this course by looking at optimizing project files for export and publishing them to Instagram or Facebook through the Spark AR Hub.